Nya, nalpasan. Happy birthday, Manang Kelly Benitez. Nya, di ko na? 70. Happy 70 years old, ate.
Hello. Happy birthday, bis 70 no? 70 years old na. Ano ba yun? Golden anniversary. Happy birthday. July. Happy birthday, kabagis. Enjoy. Lechon.
Hi, Auntie Feli. Happy birthday. Wow, 70th birthday ka na. Thank you, Lord. It's a great blessing na at age of 70, still malakas ka. Siyempre, maganda at sexy. So, always enjoy your life. Enjoy mo lang yung mga apo mo, mga anak mo. Patuloy na pagpalain ka ni Lord, bigyan ka ng kalakasan, gabayan ka ni Lord saan ka man magpunta. At patuloy ng pagpapala ni Lord, ang dalangin ko sa iyo. Enjoy life, enjoy your apo, mga anak mo. Hayaan mo lang ang mga stress. Just enjoy life. Thank you very much for everything. Happy birthday. God bless, Ante, Mama Chup Chup.
Happy birthday, Nanay Peli. I wish you have a lifetime smile, happiness, and may the Lord grant you with a good health and more birthdays to come. There's no exact word how much I am thankful and grateful having you as my stepmother. Maraming salamat po sa pag-extend ng love, unconditional love, not only for me but for my whole family. Maraming salamat po sa lahat-lahat. Again, happy birthday. Wishing you happiness and long life. Salamat po. Happy birthday again.
Happy birthday, Nay. We know that it has been 8 difficult years for you, and we want you to know that we love you. I wish you a birthday filled with blessings, health, and joy. May you continue to be a shining example of love and kindness. We are here for you today and always.